Coach, your assessment of your team's first game, yun nga, so top loss to start your title retention campaign. So, ano yung nakikita nyo yung kailangan ipulido para siyempre makabalik kayo to get back on track this season?
I guess, definitely talaga, this is not naman yung the way that we start the season. And, I guess playing as a team, we need to improve on that. Sometimes yung mag-into top losses, it really push us to work together and to work more harder and try to improve from our as a team.
Okay, the first open first question.
Coach, tough to find positives sa ganitong kalaking loss, but ano yung mga nagustuhan mo siguro na ginawa ng team natin?
Well, for me, siguro it's really tough dahil but then our next game is Wednesday, so there's no time for us to feel sorry for ourselves. But after this, we just try to watch the game, try to find out which things to to work on, then move forward for the next game against Athens.
Coach, how did you try to prepare for someone like Collins kasi nga 29 wins pa rin siya first game?
Yeah, actually, we really, alam naman namin yung capability ni Collins. We really prepared for him, but then, siguro as a team for me, it should not be 1 versus 1, it has to be like 1 versus 5. So, kanina, maybe as a team, we not react well or respond well to the situation. We're trying to, defensively help each other. I think something that we need to learn.
Coach, tough first games for Ray and also si Francis. Looking at how they performed today, what's your assessment?
For me, no matter how tough it is, kung kailangan nila daanan mo. And facing it and then trying to, find ways to overcome these challenges. That will be part, of trying to achieve something big. We all need to realize that, no matter how hard it is, staying together, working hard together is important.
Coach, Ray was limited to around 9 minutes lang. Is he dealing with a minor injury or is it a matter of still finding the right blend of players for you?
I guess siguro, hindi ko naman na maisip yung minutes in the game, but then I guess with Junior Force is have to find, again, ways na, how to get that rhythm. So, I guess I'm in a situation.
Coach, of course, tough loss, pero do you take back solace in the fact na opening game pa lang ito ng season and not later on?
Sa akin, same as, how we look at it. We look at, game per game. For this game, syempre, again, definitely kailangan namin as a team, manoorin and try to find out anong dapat mag-uwi. Then, yun ang siguro.
Coach, so ito na, again, sa next opponent. So ano yung mga asahan? Siyempre, importante itong bounce back. Siyempre, mahirap na magsimula ulit CSU to sa case. Yung, siyempre, kailangan nyo makabawi sa next game. Siyempre, ito, bigla lang kayo mag-0 to sa case.
Next game.
Next game.
Ano naman kami? Kumbaga, every game naman, siyempre, yun naman ang goal namin. Siyempre, yun lang, siyempre, this is not the usual, start na gusto namin. But then we need to deal with yung next game every time. Ganoon naman, di ba? As I said before, kumbaga life goes on. After this loss, having a lot of games. So, we as a team should, again, prepare for it. 2 days na pinag-uusapan, hindi na namin pag-iisipan yung sama ng loob dito. Kumbaga dito, importante, preparasyon namin for the next game. Ganoon naman talaga buhay, di ba? Something goes wrong, life goes on, you need to move forward.
Thank you, Coach. See you next game.
Salamat.